Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use TeamViewer to access your remote computer. First, to use TeamViewer to access your remote computer, you need to install TeamViewer on your local machine and remote machine. So, to start, on my desktop, I have TeamViewer installed. So click on TeamViewer icon on my desktop. That's my local machine. First, you can use TeamViewer to access your remote PC using email and password. By typing your email and password. Second, you can use TeamViewer Partner ID to access your remote PC by typing your partner ID, that's your remote PC or computer partner ID on your local host remote PC partner ID site. There you can type the remote partner ID. Again, you can use email and password when you have registered for TeamViewer to access your remote PC. You can use TeamViewer in a meeting and presentation. You can use TeamViewer to copy contact and chat. So on my local machine, I have installed TeamViewer. So to be able to access my remote PC using TeamViewer on my local machine, I need to link or trust my remote PC to my email account and password. This will help me to access my remote computer using my email and password. So to trust your remote PC to your email account, first on your remote PC, you click on TeamViewer, then you click on sign in, then on sign in pop up. On the email side, you type your email and password. You receive a pop up message informing you to trust your remote PC to your email accounts, to use your email and password to access your remote PC using TeamViewer. So you receive a pop-up to confirm to trust this PC, that's the remote PC, to your Gmail account. Then you receive an email in your inbox informing you to confirm the remote PC. That's the trust relationship with your remote PC and your email accounts and password. Then you click on it. After that, you'll find add to trust device. After clicking add trust, you'll find a pop-up to trust the remote PC to your email to be able to use your remote PC by type in your email and password in your TeamViewer app to access the remote PC. So after trusting the remote PC, on the remote PC, on my local machine, you sign in with your email and password to find out that the trust have been successful. So I type my email and password. So when I look at computer and contact, the remote PC have not been trusted or linked to my account. So you go to the remote PC TeamViewer app site to enable unattended access or grant access easy on unattended access site on your remote desktop PC to grant access to the remote PC to be able to access the remote PC using your TeamViewer on your local host or local machine when you try to access your remote PC anywhere. So on my local PC, I type the email and my password by clicking on TeamViewer app and click on sign in. Then you type your email and password to log into the TeamViewer portal. So here you'll find out that the remote PC is now connected to or link or trust to my email and password. So I can use my email to access my remote PC using TeamViewer. So you right click on the remote PC, then you click remote connect using pop-up message. Now TeamViewer is connected to my remote PC. This my remote PC is connecting it on my local host or local machine. When you log in, you can perform any task using TeamViewer on your local machine to your remote PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to receive an update by clicking the bell icon.